Okay, hello. Today I'll be reviewing a T-Rex by Nature World. It's right here. It's not. I got this at Walmart. It's inaccurate. It has a very weird shape. They did the claws right. They didn't add 3 arms. I mean, 3 fingers. And they're not like this. Let's see how big it is. Okay, so it is about 5 inches tall. Focus. There. That's 5. Let's see how long it is. And 7 inches long. The coloration is a bit weird. First it's black and then it's gray, then an orange color. Let's bring in the Papa walking T-Rex. There. That's them together. The Papa is so big. So it looks like they're fighting with each other. The stance is a bit, they actually kind of look a bit the same as the stance. Except for this is dragging its tail like a mammal, but this has its tail. This tail is not dragging, making it more like a dinosaur. It seems a bit something like foam or soft plastic. The teeth are a bit weird. They're not fully painted. It does have the binocular vision of the T-Rex, like the Papa Rex. They didn't paint any of the inside. It doesn't have a tongue either. And right here is just glued. So it's basically 2 pieces glued together. It's not horrible. It's not like the Tyrannosaurus from that other pack that I got for Christmas. It's kind of like the stance for this is a bit like this other T-Rex that I got from Target, I believe.
What are you talking to?
Okay. This toy, besides the inaccuracies, this toy is actually a good toy. It has eyes. Even they're not just black eyes. They're not black eyes. Their eyes are actually the eyes are actually painted as its skin, making the eyes look like it's only black. And I get this baby Triceratops. They're not they're not made by the same company, but they would actually go right together. It looks like he's eating the Triceratops, or a she. I think this is a she. Okay. And we also go, well, like this. The skin is quite bumpy. It's actually very rough. It's not bad, but this toy is actually okay. I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because of the multiple amount of inaccuracies. And some of the paint is a little bad. But that would be it for the Nature World Tyrannosaurus. This is a great toy. If you want to find some cheap toys, this could be something that you want. But if you want really great quality, you might want to get the Papo T-Rexes. The sitting T-Rex that comes in green, brown, and purple and yellow. Green, brown, purple, and yellow. Wait, green, brown, and purple and yellow. Because one of them is like purple, then yellow, and then purple again. And the running T-Rex comes in the same color. But this is probably something that I'd rather pick up. That this is what I'd rather pick up if I just wanted to get an amazing T-Rex toy. Okay, anyways, that's gonna be it for the review. Goodbye.